Alright dude, I'm going to show you how I installed an AF dynamic intake kit into a Ford Escape. If you see, it's a Ford Escape, the 2.0. And the only reason they said they never have a kit for this type of cars and the STs don't fit is because of this right here. It doesn't have this little pivot. I saw this issue of the little nozzle. I drilled the hole. Make sure when you drill the hole, you make the hole as snug as you can so it doesn't come out that easy. So in case under boost, it just doesn't pop it out. And put a little bit of oil or baby oil, doesn't matter, in here to snug fit it as much as you can, and this solves your issue. Let me use my other hand. And I'll show you how. And there you go. Issue solved. This is the reason they say that the ST kits, if you see right here, mine's a 2014 Escape all-wheel drive 2.0 Ecoboost, because it doesn't have that little nozzle, which is this right here. And all you have to do is just cut it off, drill it into the coupler. I already tested everything. Make sure there's maybe a quarter of an inch of space between this right here and right here, and they'll fit perfectly. Nothing will interfere. You'll shove everything in there perfectly. And it's only $150. And since there's rarely any intake kits for the Ford Escapes, this is one of the easiest way. Well, there's K&N, the Typhoon, but that's like almost $400, $150 for this. And it comes with its own intake kit and everything too. And a little heat shield. I had to take it off and kind of do this little mount. I still have a little stuff to put in there. I still have to do the heat shield chrome wrap in it, but I'm just setting it up for now. But that's the easiest way to do that little mount, and it'll fit perfectly.